Hello students, in this class we are going to learn how to remove elements in your photos. First, you have to copy your image. Click Ctrl J to copy and rename your layer to edit. Next, choose a lasso tool on the tool panel and draw along the subject that you want to remove. In this case, we are going to remove the guy on the left. Please be very careful during this step as you don't want to accidentally remove other subject. Once that is done, click Edit and select Fill. Make sure you have selected Content Aware and Color Adaptation is enabled. Press OK and let it do its job for a few seconds. Sit back and relax. And voila! Your subject is gone. So click Ctrl D to remove the dotted line. And how about let's try removing another subject here, which is the guy on the right. Do the same thing here. Click Edit, Fill, Content Aware and Color Adaptation, and press OK. Click Ctrl 0 to open your image, and now you have your perfectly edited photo.